today is Christmas, and I opened presents, and because it was Christmas today, so yeah, guys, this is Christmas today. Please remember how they're good. Like, I don't know why, but it could be a special day. But I know this is awesome. Stop doing the terrible. Stop. Alright, she went away. She's playing with my Little Pony. She's playing with my Little Pony Pinky Pie one. Hello. Alright, she gave that to me. Thank you, Olivia. Alright, so, I'm watching vloggers. This one. Just remember you. Do you want to change the color same of the documents? Change it to Windows 7 Basic. It's a black screen, guys. This is a black screen. Guys, it was just a black screen. I know it was Windows 7 Basic. Well, guys, yeah, this is awesome. And so, Papa, do you want to win a Domino's cherry on Roblox? So, Papa, you can type on the Roblox username on your comments. If you don't have your Roblox account, just sign up on Roblox, Papa. I want you to know your Roblox username, so if you want to win Domino's cherry, Papa, comment to me, Papa, and Papa's my friend too. So, that's it for this video. If you want to see my videos that I've recorded and tell you on Roblox, just like and subscribe to my channel. If you don't like my videos, just dislike and unsubscribe. So Papa do know that everyone noticed me. So we're gonna put his remix on it. Alright. Papa. Here it is. Here we go. So he will know in the comments. And here you go, Papa. Your music remix is here. I let you know. You can subscribe to me now if you want to. So that's it for this video. If you want to see my Christmas videos, I'll upload them because I don't have an intro for now. Actually, I don't know how to make an intro, but I have an intro. So I will see you here, guys. Goodbye.